Most important thing about the water heater is to make sure you have water in it. So the way you do that is you fill your fresh water tank, turn your water pump. The water pump will automatically fill the fresh water tank behind the water heater. And as you use the water, the pump will keep filling the water heater. If you're hooked up to city water with the hose, it will keep it full all the time so you can continue to use the shower. If you're out dry camping, you have to have the water pump on to pump water in the water heater. If you're in an RV park and hooked up the hose, it automatically fills it as you use the water. This is electronic ignition. All you got to do is push the button inside and the light's on gas. You do not want to travel with this on down the road.